And the day has come. Today eventually I decided to replace my beautiful mobile phone cover for the another one, because this one is broken everywhere, is falling apart. It's coming out glue here, but I really love it. I just bought the simple one. Right, let me see. Just the clear one, nothing dramatic, nothing cute. How to open? Ah, from the side, from the bottom. All right, so that is the one. Just simple one. Okay, what do you say? Which one is better? Which one you prefer? Clear one, simple, or the cute kitty? I have been experimenting with some new ideas for fridge magnets. So I made the mushrooms. Then I made simple leaves. I think leaves are quite nice. They are very simple. That's why I like it. And this is for my friend. I promised to her make a dog. My first dog I ever made. So please tell me what you think. I think I'm not a fan of the mushrooms. They're not really nice. I think on those two I can still be working out. They have potential, yes. And there is one more mushroom I done previously, but also I don't like it. So I'm not gonna be developing this idea. Maybe I cannot decide if I like it or not. And those are my cuts, but I think I showed you them already. They are my recent work. Me and my daughter have been creating a Kawaii and anime store. She's illustrator and I am making designs. So how you can see, then I just made the orange, and then my daughter, I made the orange made of polymer clay, and my daughter, she make designs for the clothing. So how you can check, I will show you designs which we made. There is more products. All right. I'm saving some files, that's why system is working so slow. So be cute like an orange fruit. I think it's my favorite collection. You can have a look by yourself. We are having apparel for women's wear, men's wear, children, kids, and we have also stickers. And I will show you, we have a different kind of accessories. I think accessories are everybody's favorite, like mugs you can buy for a gift. Yeah, so this is the recent ones. I will check the orange one. Where is the orange one? I think it's too many. Yes, so we have mugs, caps, tote bags. All right, you can see when I open this one. And that's how it works. Here you go. I hope you like it, because I love it, especially this design. We have many of other designs. Obviously we're still working on different designs, but so far this one is my favorite. Here you can see. I am a massive coffee fan. I've been trying to cut down the coffee, but I cannot, so I have to go with decaf today. And I have a soya unsweetened milk. All right, how can I do that with one hand? I don't have a camera stand. All right, I managed to open the coffee with kind of one hand. And I will take some more Where is it? There we go. What do you say? It's a pretty one. That's morning time most of the time when I'm fine. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, you should smell it. Even if it's decaf, it still smells very nice. There's addict talking here. And then I'm gonna have my soya milk. I like latte. I really love a lot of milk. How pretty is it?